If you need to find your Epic Games ID, this video will walk you through the quickest way to do it step by step. Whether you're trying to verify your account, connect a service, or just need your Epic Games ID for support, this is a simple process that only takes a minute once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer or go to the Epic Games website in your browser. Once you're on the platform, log into the account you want to check. Make sure you're signed into the correct Epic Games account because your ID is tied to that specific profile. After you're logged in, look for your profile icon. This is usually in the top corner of the launcher or website. Click on your profile icon to open the account menu. From there, select account settings. This will take you to the page where your personal account details are stored. Once the account settings page opens, look for the section labeled Account Information. In this section, you should be able to see your Epic Games ID listed with your other account details. That is the ID you're looking for. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the page carefully because it may be displayed alongside other account information. And that's it. Once you've found it, you can copy your Epic Games ID and use it wherever you need it. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials, tips, and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.